YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Flexing IV. Please be sure to follow me on IG. And as you can see from my shirt, yeah, I'm feeling well, you can't even see. Yeah, I'm feeling patriotic. But we got a game to go to today. And if you know anything about my shirt, if you know, you know. I ain't even gonna tell you. I'm gonna just let you see. But in today's video, man, right now today is Wednesday, November 19th. It is 1 p.m. and I just finished getting some stuff done. So I ended up, going to physical therapy for my finger, or to set an appointment, because they ain't been answering my calls. Every time I call them, they don't pick up. Now, I've been working on this little AI caller business, so I'm going to pitch my idea on next Friday when I go there. That's on Black Friday. But yeah, so that's pretty interesting. I need to get this software up and running, or if I don't have the software up and running, I need to know somebody that knows how to do it, so I can lowball them, highball them, and be the middleman. But yeah, I don't really want to be the middleman. I want to do it myself. But hey, we'll see. Just gotta get that money. Yeah, so we ended up taking a trade today. Today was Wednesday. I don't like to trade on Wednesdays, but man, the market cooked, bro. Normally the moves I go for on ES or SPX is like 12-point moves. If I have a 12-point move, that's a $1,000 move. Today was a 32-point move that I did not catch. It went up 32 points, it came down about 28 points. Didn't catch the sells. I ended up taking a sell. I didn't get clapped, but I definitely got slapped. So yeah, man, but it's all good. These accounts, these challenges, I am flying through them. Pass, fail, whatever. Like, I don't got time to be dilly-dallying, whatever the word is. But I don't got time to be playing around with it. So yeah, but yeah, that was my trade. Right now I'm about to go do a one-on-one. I'm gonna do a one-on-one at my my college, so we gonna see how that goes. But yeah, man, I'll talk to y'all next time I pick up the camera. That was my morning, basically. Yeah, that was my morning. I'll talk to y'all soon. YouTube, the camera is back up. I'm not sure if it's loud. Actually, no, it's not loud. But yeah, man, so let me tell y'all about the day, man. I did that one-on-one at school. Forgot to record that, but it wasn't nothing. We basically just went over candlestick formations and lower time frames. Nothing too crazy. If you want to book a one-on-one with me, figure out what I got going on, you feel me? Just hit me up on Instagram, or hit me up on Instagram. But yeah, man, so right now we are currently on the way to the game. We are in the train. Yeah, you don't know about this, boy. You ain't in front of hood for real. Hold on, wait. Yeah, you ain't in front of hood for real, boy. So we on the Brickell train, and basically I'm riding to the game. As you see my shirt, Team USA, Stephen Curry's shirt. Curry is not playing tonight. Nobody's playing. I'm about 40 minutes late to the game, so I don't know, man. I don't care, to be honest. Only reason I'm here is because I literally just finished my exam for my lab class, and I was like, you know what, let's celebrate by doing a little something, and this was my way of celebrating. So I'm gonna go to the game. It's currently halftime right now, and I'm like, I don't know how far I am away, but I'm like pretty far away. But we'll get there when we get there. I ain't in no rush, because that game is trash, bro. Like, Curry not playing, Jimmy not playing, Draymond not playing, Tyler Hero not playing. Like, God, bro, I hate Miami sports so much, bro. Like, I swear I do. But I'll talk to y'all when I can. Right now I'm just on the train. Let's see.
Please hold on. The train is approaching. Brickell City Center Station, 8th Street.
Yeah, man, you gotta be a real resident to know about this, man. If you ain't from here, don't act like you from here, because you don't know about this, man. But I'll talk to y'all soon. YouTube, I'm back. So, I was on the train last time, right? Well, the train is literally leaving. So, the reason why I'm heading back upstairs to the train is because these tickets that I was so mad about, right? They ended up getting sold. So basically, I drove 40 minutes to get here. to go to my game that I did not want to go to, and come to find out the tickets were sold. So I wasted time, I wasted money, and the most important part is, yeah, I wasted time. But right now I'm going to get on that Brickle loop and I'm gonna head home. I'm not gonna lie, pretty annoyed. This was supposed to be a lit day. Well, it turned out that it wasn't a lit day. This was more of an ass day, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go home, recover my losses, get ready to trade tomorrow because I'm mad, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I am mad. But next time I pick up the camera, we'll see. Hi YouTube, sorry if you hear my computer blasting. I just want to give a breakdown of the setup that I caught today, and we're just going to go over how I look at the market. So first things first, we have to get our support and resistance, key levels. Mainly trade based off of support and resistance. I just find it like extremely easy just to process things when you look at support and resistance, because the market really just moves in like waves of like, support and resistance. So we're just gonna mark out some levels. On my top step account, the levels are already marked out, but I got TradingView. I recently paid for it just to back test whenever I'm not trading. So basically, mark out support and resistance levels, and basically whenever the market gets to these levels, I like to look for areas of like breaks and retests, or you got rejections. There's all type of things that you can look for when the market gets to your levels, but you want to be able to signify where the market is going to make those moves, and those are the way that we're gonna basically take our entry. So right now we're looking at ES. We are on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see from the hour time frame, we have a push down and then we have a push back up. So basically that shows me, all right, well, the sellers, they didn't want to come for these lows right here. Let me just mark it out so you can be able to see. They didn't want to come for those lows, and they also didn't want to go for those lows, with those still being untested. All right, maybe we could look for a break retest for some buys. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So now we are at basically the 920 candlestick. You've seen that the market already bought up. So basically what I was looking for was ways to buy the market up after we got our rejection. So this is one of the rejections. It's at the 930. We don't really trade until like 945. So let's just see if we can find a move. And as you can see, we are approaching the high of this current day. So I'm just gonna put a line out right there. Now you could have took this trade right here. In hindsight, yeah, it's cool to take it at the bottom, but in real time, you didn't know that the market was gonna bounce up off the 930 candlestick open. So I like to wait a little bit of time. Right now it's currently 940. So with me approaching the high of the day, what I like to do, since I see that there's already like, let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see. So since I see that there's like a strong candle that has a wick, basically I would have just went to a smaller time frame just to see what that candlestick does. Let's go one more candlestick. All right, boom. So we got to push down and then we got to break above the high. The candlestick wick past the high, had a strong close. So basically I would have did something like this. I didn't catch this move because I just didn't want to trade on a Wednesday, but this is something I would be looking for. This is a break of a high setup. We have our EMAs. Our EMAs nowhere to even be found. They're way down here. So basically that just shows that the market probably wants to buy up based off of the VWAP and EMAs. We do have a strong market structure formation. Let's go to a 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame look as well. Only thing about this, I'm realizing why I didn't take this trade. My stop loss would have been 9 points. I like my stop loss to be around 4 points, but with my stop loss being right there, I just don't have anywhere to really place my stop loss. If the market wants to come down and test this area again, I'm cooked. So that's why I didn't take this trade. So let's just see what happens. Let's see if we could have got a better entry. All right, boom. And look exactly what I was talking about. Literally, it came down to wick right here, and then it shot up. Shot completely up off of 2 5-minute candlesticks. That's 10 minutes. Possibly you could have taken a trade down here, but in reality still, like, you didn't know that the market was going to shoot up in this area. So that's why I didn't take this trade, because my stop loss would have just been too big. And as you all seen, literally I would have gotten stopped out if I would have took the original trade, because I'm not having a 8-point stop loss. That means I have to go for 8 points, which is a 1-to-1. I mean, yeah, it would have played out, but when I'm in this trade, I'm not thinking the market is going to go this high. It went up it went up almost 40 points. So that's why I didn't take the trade. The stop loss was just too big. But the trade ended up playing out. Was a crazy move. Wasn't able to capitalize. But the good thing about not being able to capitalize, you know, you just have that motivation to show up the next day so that you can capitalize. But that being said, man, let's get the day started.
And motherfucker fuck around and take off on my ass.
Right.
For all down confirmations and shit.
Right. Yeah. My old mentor there was like, yo, just press the button. That's been my only thing. Like, my problem, it wasn't like losing trades. My problem was just not entering the trades.
Yeah. Because it's like your ideas be right. You'll sit there and watch the shit take off and do exactly what you wanted to do. And then by the time you want to enter, by the time you be like, all right, fuck it. It's at
Yeah.
another level of support or resistance. And it's about to start going down. So I'm like, bro.
Exactly. And that's the worst feeling. Like, not because I remember I was in some group and I was like, because this is just my experience. I was like, yo, I would rather lose than miss a trade. Because, like, I just wasn't, like, there were so many trades I wasn't taking. So I was like, you know what? I'd rather get in the trade, let the trade do whatever it's going to do, and then win or lose, hey, I'm in. But if you just sitting there and you just watching your trade win, bro, that's a different type of pain. Like, yeah, you're not losing money, but still, that's painful.
It's just like, damn, bro, I could have, like, what the fuck?
Right. I could have put anything behind it. Like, yeah,
It's
man.
like right now, like, look, bro, this shit taking off. I know it's going to retest, but it's like,
I think gonna retest at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
yeah.
Yeah, boy, you gonna be waiting all day waiting for that retest.